Hello and welcome everyone to yet another tech video from Classic Programmer. Java is the most dominant programming language right from its inception yet in the current trend of artificial intelligence, machine learning and the outbreak of big data. Many beginners and professionals have a mild dilemma: can Java meet the current standards, and end up asking me one good reason to learn Java. Well, I have numerous. For now, I'll give you the top 10 reasons to learn Java. So that's the one short agenda we have to deal today. So before getting started, let me tell you guys, we have daily updates on multiple technologies. So guys, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our technical content. So now sit back, relax and listen to all the good reasons to get started with Java. The top 10th reason is Java is easy to learn and implement. The masterpiece in the world of object-oriented programming is continuously evolving. Now, unlike other programming languages, Java did not make unrecognizable changes to its fundamentals. The basic object-oriented features and principles of Java are maintained in the same way since the beginning. All the advancements are done in the way by introducing new libraries and APIs along with some new methods, just to reduce the time consumed in programming. Java has fluent English-like syntax with minimum character. For example, generic angle bracket, which make it easy to read a Java program and learn it quickly. Once a programmer is familiar with initial challenges like installing JDK and setting up the path and understand how the class path works, it's pretty easy to write a Java program. Downloading and setting up Java in perfect world is really simple. Don't worry about that. I have dropped down a link below that will guide you in step-by-step manner to successfully install Java in your local system. So with that being said, let's move on the top 9th reason, which says Java is platform independent. The main reason that many developers and major IT companies adopted Java is because Java uses the principle that says write once and run anywhere. This would have been not possible if it did not have JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine works in a simple but most effective way. All the code that you write in Java programming language is sent to the JVM before getting executed. Here the JVM converts the programmer readable code into bytecode and sends this bytecode to the compiler or the interpreter, and this bytecode will be executed at the end. So this process stands the same regardless of any environment where the JVM is functioning in. So this makes Java completely platform independent. Followed by the 9th reason, we have the top 8th reason that says Java is highly adaptable and found everywhere. Yes, Java is everywhere. It's on the desktop, it's on the mobile, it's on the card, almost everywhere. And so are the Java programmers. I think Java programmers outnumber any other programming language professional with age. Java supports billions of electronic devices in real time. The programming language is so capable that it can do almost everything, from creating a functional program to managing big data by creating crunching tools like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark. So Java is practically everywhere. It can manage the creation of web pages, designing and new operating system like Android and much more. Next, we have our top 7 point that says it has enormous community support. Java programming language is the one that was used to lay the foundation for all the groundbreaking technologies and frameworks that we currently use. So we have numerous use cases, code segment method, and what all need to develop a new application. Apart from this, we have a huge community of Java developers right from the beginner to the real-time expert who are enthusiastically ready to help when we need them. Some of the best examples are Stack Overflow and Java Forum. So followed by the 7th reason, we have our top 6 reason, which says Java has rich library support. Open source libraries ensure that Java should be used everywhere. Apache, Google and other organizations have contributed a lot of great libraries which make development easy, faster and cost effective in Java. There are frameworks like Spring, Struct, Maven which ensure that Java development follows best practices of software craftsmanship, promotes the use of design pattern and assign the Java developer in getting their job done. I always recommend searching for functionality in Google before writing your own code. There is a good chance chance that it's already coded and tested and available for the use. Next, we have our top 5th reason that says Java has proven and powerful IDEs. Believe it, Eclipse and NetBeans have played a huge role in making Java one of the best programming languages for coding. Coding in these IDEs is a real pleasure. They not only help encode completion but also provide a powerful debugging capability, which is essential for real-world development. Integrated development, enterprise or IDE made Java development much more comfortable, faster and fluent. It's easy to search, refactor and read code using IDEs. Apart from IDE, the Java platform also has several other tools like Maven for building Java application, Jenkins for continuous integration and delivery, Decompiler console, Visual VM for monitoring heap usage, etc. So with this, we enter into our top 4th reason that says Java has generous API support. The major reason for the Java programming language huge success is its capability to adapt the user's requirement, and this is achieved by the Java through its API or the application programming interface. The Java API support comes along during the installation of Java. Java provides API for almost everything. Followed by that, we have our top 3rd reason which says Java support big data, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, many have a misconception that Python is for data science and Java is not built for that. I mean really, all you are doing is making a machine learning. To keep it simple, Java incorporates the right tools and libraries that are required to execute AI and machine learning based algorithm and program. Now coming into big data, the foundation of big data and its framework was laid by using the Java programming language. So it has a greater support for both machine learning, artificial intelligence and big data. So followed by the top 3rd reason, we have our top 2nd reason which says Java is a high demanded programming language. Programmers with a sound knowledge of Java are in great demand. With a large install base, this widely used programming language continues to create jobs in every tech industry. Additionally, the popularity of Android apps has brought along countless opportunities for an Android developer who writes native apps in Java. Being a mature programming language, there are numerous resources available online that can act as your perfect companion in the learning process. Depending upon your need, you can look for free and paid courses for learning and aid yourself. In short, almost any imaginable doubt related to Java has already been asked and answered on the online forums. Java is one of the most sorted programming language for development purposes. And finally, we enter the topmost reason to learn Java. It is the high salary package. Java developers are amongst the highest paid IT employees in the current IT industry. Having said that, we shall now discuss the salary trend of Java developer in America and India. So first, we will discuss the average salary of Java developer in United States of America. So for an entry-level Java developer, America offers $60,000 US, and for an experienced Java developer, the salary package are nearly $1,20,000. Now we shall discuss the salary trend of Java developer in India. So in India, for an entry-level Java developer, the salary might start from 4,50,000 rupees, and for an experienced Java developer, the salary package can start from 10 lakh rupees, and also it might reach to higher based on your experience and performance. So with this, we have come to an end of this discussion. If you have any queries related to this topic, then please feel free to reach us out. You can drop your queries in the comment section below and we will have them answered from our expert team as early as possible.